Using Google Pay on Amazon is a convenient way to make payments online. To get started, you need to have a Google Pay account and an Amazon account. First, ensure that your Google Pay account is set up and you have added a payment method to it, such as a credit or debit card. To pay with Google Pay on Amazon, start by signing in to your Amazon account on the website or mobile app. Once you are signed in, proceed to the checkout page and review your order details. On the payment method page, click on the Add a Payment Method option and select Google Pay from the available options. You will be redirected to the Google Pay website where you need to sign in to your Google account. If you are not already signed in, after signing in, you will be asked to confirm the payment method you want to use. Select the payment method you want to use and confirm the payment. Once you have confirmed the payment method, you will be redirected back to the Amazon website where you can review your order and complete the checkout process. You can also add Google Pay as a payment method to your Amazon account for future purchases. To add Google Pay as a payment method, go to the Amazon Pay page and click on the Add a Payment Method option. Select Google Pay from the available options and follow the prompts to link your Google Pay account to your Amazon account. This way, you can easily select Google Pay as a payment method during checkout for future purchases. It is essential to note that Google Pay is available on Amazon in select countries and regions, so you need to check if it is available in your area before trying to use it. Additionally, ensure that your Google Pay account and Amazon account are in the same country or region to avoid any issues during the checkout process. By following these steps, you can easily use Google Pay on Amazon and take advantage of the convenience and security it offers. Remember to always review your order details and payment method before completing the checkout process to ensure that everything is correct.